In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI on Evernote desktop for writing a book. Let's get you set up to plan, draft, and organize your chapters using the tools built right into Evernote. First, open Evernote on your desktop and make sure you're signed in. You'll land on the main workspace where everything you create is stored and synced. On the left side, look for Note. This is your hub for creating and managing notes, which we'll use as the building blocks of your book. Click the new note icon. This opens a fresh canvas. Start by typing a clear title. For a book project, a simple structure works great, something like Book Title Chapter 1, Working Title. Consistent titles make it easy to search, sort, and stay organized as your manuscript grows. Now, let's tap into AI. In the note, click Ask AI Assistant. Think of this as your brainstorming partner and drafting helper. It can outline sections, expand ideas, tighten language, or suggest next steps all within your notes so nothing gets lost. Choose Ask Anything. You might see examples like meeting notes, but the magic here is that you can tailor the prompt for your book. Describe what you need in plain language. For example, ask for a chapter outline with scene beats, a character backstory with motivations and conflicts, or a rewrite of a rough paragraph in a consistent tone. The clearer your prompt, the better the results. If the first pass isn't perfect, refine your instructions and run it again until the output matches your voice and direction. When you've shaped a structure, you'll reuse like a chapter scaffold with sections for goal, conflict, setting, and revision notes. Click Save as Template. This locks in your format so every new chapter starts with the same reliable framework. Templates help you maintain pacing, keep characters consistent, and reduce setup time. From here, continue drafting directly in the note, using the AI assistant to iterate, clarify, and polish. With this workflow, Evernote becomes your organized, AI-powered writing studio.